Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to start a heist in GTA Online. Let's get started. To start a heist as a leader, you'll need to own a high-end apartment. You can buy one through Dynasty 8 real estate on your in-game phone. Make sure the apartment listing says custom apartment. If you don't own an apartment or don't have enough money yet, you can still join the heist by opening your phone, selecting quick job, choose heist, and waiting for an invite from another player. Once you own a high-end apartment, you'll unlock heist room inside it. If you don't see a heist maker right away, wait for Lester to call you. In the heist room, choose start heist as a leader or quick start as a crew member. To start as a leader, open the interaction menu, register as a boss or president, and create organization. You can then begin the heist, complete the setup mission, and invite other friends. Most heists require 2 or more players, so make sure you have a crew ready. Once everything is set, you can launch the heist and start earning. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.